East residents in Nangabo sub-county have decided to work on their poor roads after delays and failure by Kasangati Town Council. Edau Jackson, while talking to Beg Media, said their idea was developed through meetings, both online and WhatsApp groups.
Our neighborhood, our target has always been to have the estate fenced with a single entry point, such that it's easier for the neighbors within the estate to move around without any inconvenience, and also to improve on the security within the estate. So we have been having these discussions with the residents in the estate. We have engaged private contractors to give us EOQs, or rather quotation, for us to understand how much is required.
Residents of this estate and nearby communities have welcomed the move, saying it will help them make their roads passable and reduce on vehicle maintenance costs.
Before this road, it had so many potholes. Like we always had problems whenever it rained. But at least now it's better, though it's not yet okay. But I believe it's going to be fine after they've completed the whole process. Yeah, I'm so grateful to the leaders and everyone who contributed to this development.
Badde lutusumbuwa nnyo nga motoka zeesibaawo ne wabanga walijjamu ate nga tewali nnyo bantu bali awo nti oba tuli bangi nnyo eno, naye nga kyo kintu kirungi kuba nkulaakulana ebeeze mu kitundu. Buli muntu aba yandyetaaza okukola ki okuyita awantu awalungi, era nze ndi musanyufu n'ekyo ekintu kye baakoze.